Flowers and Associates Real Estate Investing, helping you achieve maximum returns through real estate. Here's just another project report. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
1252 Nicholas, pulling out all the plugs, extending them to a point where that we can put covers on them. Old plugs, old boxes. Mudding the hallway in looks really, really good. Leveling out the door jambs. The door jambs were really, really off. So we're kind of leveling out these door jambs to make it even across the walls, level across the walls. 1252 Nicholas signing off.
If you would like to know more about how to receive 3 times the market rent for your properties, check out our free lessons at flowersandassociates.courses.